Hey guys, welcome back to Prodigy Gym and Fitness with our free coaching app. Today we're going to talk about dumbbell shrugs. Seems like a super basic lift, but a lot of people are doing it wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. I'm going to show you the wrong way. You're going to see a lot of people that think they're supposed to be rolling their shoulders. You see this number, rolling like that. Do not do that. It is hell on your rotator cuffs. What you want to do is, as always, you've got your chest forward, you got that nice arc in your back, shrugging straight up. It's almost like you're trying to touch your shoulders to your ears. As you can see, I'm not rolling at all. The one variation you want to try is with your chin forward, okay, or your chin up. I've noticed it works a little bit different portion of your trap muscle by doing one or the other. Neither one are wrong, they just tend to isolate a little bit different. This is about the range that we're looking for, the speed. If you feel like you want to go a little bit faster, you see how I'm not jerking, but I am going faster? Some people like that, some like to really slow it down and really focus. You can always do that flex and hold at the top for 1 second, come back down, flex and hold. So that is your dumbbell shrug. As always, we really want to see everybody succeed here at Prodigy Gym and Fitness, so you make sure you come and ask me or any of my staff at any time for any reason. We're here for you. Thanks, we'll see you next time.